So hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, however I've come on today just to unbox my fantastic new item that was sent through the post. I'm so excited about this, so let's get started. So today's video is a package that I've received kindly from Purple Turtle. It's a brand that's based around the environment. They have a simple strategy where they just want to educate, collaborate and innovate. So they're based around finding strategy for people and businesses to make this world a better place. And I'm all for helping the environment. So I was kindly sent this box, as you can see, and literally I'm stunned with the packaging. It's got a beautiful turquoise blue packaging, and obviously you do receive your welcome pack as well. They have also sent a discount code. However, I will provide you with your additional discount code because they do some fantastic gift sets in their shopping gift set section on their website, which I will also link below. However, if you are looking for the ideal gift set that's reasonably priced and that looks stunning, as you can see, look at this candle, absolutely gorgeous. And I can't even express how amazing it smells until you actually smell it yourself. So the one that I chose was the lavender candle, because I feel like it's kind of like, when you light a candle, you want to relax anyways, and this gives you that kind of relaxing, just taking a bath, new pajamas, put on the lamp, put on the light, put on the candle, and it's just amazing. So like I said, don't forget, I do have a discount code, and that's 20% off as well. It's Simran20, which I have written across the screen as well. I will also link the actual website and the discount code underneath in the description box as well. And the reason why I decided to actually show you this unboxing is because I just feel like, when you've got brands out there that are actually genuinely care about the future of our children and also the environment, and they actually want to help, and also they want to collaborate and build their very own community. I just think it's amazing. They're not just there for making money. They're actually there because they want to help. So I hope you've enjoyed my quick mini unboxing of my new beautiful lavender purple turtle candle. It's stunning. Like I said, I'm going to link you. I've already added the code. However, I will link everything, including the website, including the philosophy around this company, below in the description box with the website. Until next time, take care, guys. And it was lovely speaking to you. Thank you so much for your time. And I'll see you soon. Bye.